Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Naik. Today I need to do some problem of integration. Let you see integration by trigonometric substitution. Suppose here you see expression substitution. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. Suppose expression is given x square plus a square or a square plus x square. We have to put x is equal to a tan theta. Okay. Suppose expression is given a square minus x square. We have to put x is equal to a sin theta. Suppose expression is given x square minus a square. We have to put x is equal to a sec theta. You can get the simplified form when you will put these. Okay. Then you will go to for integration. Now you see integration of dx by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. You see here x square plus a square given, that means in this case we have to put x is equal to a tan theta. Let us see how the problem is. You see this is the formula. We have to prove this formula. Okay, similarly other formulas are also given. Here you see put x is equal to integration of dx by x square plus a square. Okay, now you put x is equal to a tan theta, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, dx is equal to a sec square theta d theta. Here you write dx is equal to how much? A sec square theta d theta. X square is equal to x is equal to a tan theta, that is x square is equal to a square tan square theta a square. Okay, here you see a sec square theta d theta by taking common a square, because a square is in both the case. You can get tan square theta plus 1. Okay, a, you see a and a square, a and this a square 2 will cancel out. We can get a only, that is taking common 1 by a. Okay, sec square theta d theta. You know the formula, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Sec square theta will cancel out. You can get how much? You can get 1 by a only d theta. Okay, so 1 by a d theta, integration of d theta is equal to theta plus c is equal to 1 by a. Theta is equal to how much? Here you find out. A tan theta is equal to x. Tan theta is equal to x by a. Okay, theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by a. So here you write theta is equal to tan inverse x by a plus c. So here I proved this formula. Integration of dx by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Similarly, other formula we can also derive if we put in the expression a square minus x square, x is equal to a sin theta, and in the expression x square minus a square, x is equal to a sec theta. In trigonometric substitution, mainly 5 formulas are used. You see, the first formula I have already proved. dx by a square plus x square is equal to, or x square plus a square, x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. The second one is integration of dx by a square minus x square root over, okay, is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Third one is dx by x into root over x square minus a square is equal to 1 by a sec inverse x by a plus c. The fourth one is integration of dx by x square plus a square root over is equal to ln x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. The last one is integration of dx by x square minus a square root over is equal to ln x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. Mainly these 5 formulas are required for trigonometric substitution. Okay, already I have proved this formula. This formula also you can try to prove by proper substitution. Let you see some problem. This is element of mathematics exercise 9D. Okay, first question is given. First question, first bit, integrate dx by root over 11 minus 4x square. You see, suppose we will substitute, we can get the answer. Otherwise we can use directly formula. If we use directly formula, it will be take less time. Okay, so I will do this problem by using formula. You see, this is in the form of dx by root over a square minus x square. Okay, integration of dx by root over a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Okay, this formula I can use. Okay, I cannot take x is equal to a sin theta. Okay, if I will take x is equal to a sin theta, that can be possible and you can get same answer. If you use the formula, you can get same answer. Let you see, this is equal to dx by 11 given, that means root 11 whole square minus 4x square given, that is 2x whole square. Okay, now you put 2x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x, 2 dx is equal to dt. You see, derivative of 2x equal to 2 and derivative of t is equal to dt by dx. I have written dx here. Okay, dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay, so is equal to dx is equal to dt 1 by 2. I will keep it outside. Okay, that is root over root 11 whole square minus t square. You remember that suppose only t, only x, only z given, we can use this formula. Suppose 2x, 3x, 4x, something, 4x square, something given, we cannot use this formula, we have to convert into a single form. Okay, that is either t or either z or something like that. Okay, is equal to, you see, now you can get the formula. Okay, this is in this formula. Okay, is equal to half, you see, sin inverse x by a, here x is equal to t by a is equal to root 11. Okay, plus c, you see, is equal to half sin inverse t is equal to how much you have taken, 2x by root 11 plus c. Okay, Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. The question is given, integrate the following. Integration of e to the power 3x by root over 4 minus e to the power 6x. In this problem already given e to the power 3x is equal to z. That means we have to put e to the power 3x is equal to z. Now put e to the power 3x is equal to z. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of e to the power 3x is equal to e to the power 3x. Again derivative of 3x, that is 3. 3 e to the power 3x dx is equal to dz. Okay, we need how much? E to the power 3x into dx. That is e to the power 3x dx is equal to dz by 3. Okay, here you write e to the power 3x by 4 means 2 square minus e to the power 6x means e to the power 3x whole square dx. Okay, is equal to, use e to the power 3x dx is equal to how much? Dz by 3, taking common 1 by 3. You keep it outside. Okay, that is dz by root over 2 square minus, we have taken z, 2 square minus z square. Okay, is equal to 1 by 3. Formula you know, how much? Sin inverse x by a, that is z by 2. Okay, plus c is equal to 1 by 3 sin inverse z is equal to how much? E to the power 3x I have taken, e to the power 3x, e to the power 3x. Okay, e to the power 3x by 2 plus c. Pause the video, note it down.